I'm gonna take the panel out. Luckily I don't have power to it. Put it in this wall. We're gonna slam a 36-inch entry door here so we can have wrap around deck on the front and the side, and a nice set of stairs off to the side so it keeps the front of the house open. Check it out. This is how we do it. All right, so now we have them all marked. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's for the stove. I didn't have that one installed yet, so let's take these wires out. So with all that done, I could take the panel down. So I'm actually gonna bust out these 2 studs. We're gonna build off of this one. Put 2 jacks, we'll build our lintel and move these 2 over. We have to cut 4 at 81 inches. .92 and 5. So right now we have it opened up, ready to go. We have our 81s cut, our 92 and 5/8 cut for the edges. We know the door rough opening is 38.5, so we're gonna add the 6 inches for our 4 jacks, which is gonna be 44.5. So let's see what we have here. We're at 46.5 without our left side king in. So there's gonna be a 1/4 inch extra on each side, which is no big deal. It's extra insulation. Spray foam it, it'll be good. So right now we're gonna get that king mounted, put the jacks up, throw the lintel in, get this door done. Cut 1 to 45 inches, that's the width in between the 2, for where the lintel is going to sit on. So here's how I build my lentils or LVLs, whatever you want to call them. Get some of your PL out. Usually just put 3 strips of it. Doesn't have to be anything too crazy. Take your 1/2 inch plywood. This started out as a 2x10. I cut them down to 45 inches. I'm gonna peel this side of it. Get it relatively straight. I usually put a couple screws. Another row of PL. Go grab your nail gun. So now I put the lentil in, and I made these two little shims out of OSB to stick in here and take up this extra space. Nice flush fit right there. So now we have the kings, jacks, lentil, and everything in. It's time to create some holes in this thing. Cut the base out. Now we have here a well framed out hole. We're gonna get some nails, put our 2-inch nails or 2.5 through the OSB into our new framing, just to secure all that plywood back up. Then we're gonna weatherproof this thing and get that door in. So we're gonna get a few nails in over here along the whole perimeter. Get a few up here. So here's everybody's favorite part. Good old detail for weatherproofing. What I like to do is have an inch or two sticking out. You can go over it twice. Start with the sides, then do the top. So right here I'm just using some solar seal. We use this primarily with solar panels when we're screwing stuff through the roofs. We'll have a video on that later. Open it up. So for here, I like to take out one of the screws from the jamb, put my shims in behind it. Get out your level out the top. Get your corresponding shims. And right here, you have the finished product. And there you have it. Electrical service removed, framed out the door, cut through, installed the door, sealed it up. Everything's good to go. Now I can get to the siding on the outside. Hopefully you liked the video. For more little things like this, you can subscribe down below. See you on the next one.